In the quiet lab where questions grow, under the light where new truths show, we learn the secrets life holds inside. Through every layer we gently guide, bones and muscle systems so fine, nature's blueprint perfectly designed. Every heartbeat, every breath we see tells the story